हांव एडवोकेट सियोला फातोर्डेचे. आतां आयज लिबरेशन दिसाचेर हांव TMC जॉइन जालां. Reason was that I made a lengthy list of pros and cons, and after assessing the situation and taking sufficient time and looking at how the politics is playing out in Goa, I was convinced that this is the right way forward. Navi Sakal हांगाच मेळटलें आनी TMC कडेनच मेळटलें. BJP has spoilt Goa completely. That is undeniable. And BJP, to defeat them, you require a big force. That force is with TMC. आणि जे गोंयचे लोक आसा, आमी जॉइन करता म्हणजे TMC गोंयचो पार्टी जालो. So we are going with Goa TMC party in Fatorda also, all over Goa also. And we find that Congress cannot be the alternative. So the primary opposition party now has become TMC. So आश्वासन आसा म्हजो TMCचो आनी ट्रस्ट आसा आनी आतां फुडेंच वचपाचें TMC बरोबर. थँक यू.